So now that we have set up everything on Azure, we have to start working on the code and add the code snippet that we want to use to send sensor information to IoT Hub. To do that, first we need to enable Microsoft.Azure.Devices, the client on NuGet. And then we can also, a good option is installing Azure Connected Services for IoT Hub. Installing this add-on, this extension, will allow us to easily install a code snippet and insert that into our program. I'll show you how that can help us. So here, basically, the first thing is that we need to enable NuGet client, which is the Microsoft.Azure.Devices client. I go click on NuGet, and I search for Microsoft.Azure.Devices client. So here, when I see that, the first thing that comes with the higher download, I just install it. It usually needs to install multiple items, not just one. A lot of packages should be installed. As you can see, there's the list of the packages that should be installed, from JSON to different Azure protocols. So we wait until all the packets are installed, and we make sure that everything goes smoothly. It doesn't take long. So as you can see the log here. A lot of packages are being installed automatically using the packet manager. Okay, so as you can see, it's now finished. After we finish installing this, we can either go ahead and just write the code needed to connect to IoT Hub. But another option is that we can also use connected service for Azure IoT Hub. So if we install this extension from the link above from Visual Studio Marketplace, we can easily add a reference to our IoT Hub and device in cloud. So it automatically connects to your Azure account and gives you the list of all the IoT hubs and devices you have, and you can add the reference easily. You don't need to copy paste your connection string directly. It will fetch it for you and bring it here. So let's see how it can do that. So once you install it, you just download it, you just install it. And after installation, if you go and try to add a reference, you see add connected service. You click on that. The first time after installation, you don't see this. You have to restart your Visual Studio. After restarting, you can see Azure IoT Hub here. You click on configure, and then you click on the hardcode shared access key. Here you need to connect to your Azure account, and you sign in. And here you can see that after signing in, it will show you the list of the IoT hubs that you have here. So the first one is the hill. So I click on that, and I click add. I can also, you see it loads my devices, and I click on Bio 001, the only device that I have right now. Before adding the reference, it is updating some of the packages that I have to make sure that it is compatible. Okay, so there are some warnings, but that's just fine. We're fine. So if I close this dialog, I can see that there are some files added here, getting started and connected service.json. And also what I see here, if I just scroll down, yeah, other than these two files, which is the get started. If I scroll down, I will see that there is an Azure IoT Hub file created for me. This is the file that we're talking about. I can see the connection string, share access key, and everything here. And I can see two methods: send device to cloud message and receive cloud to device message. Both of them are asynchronous methods. So it already just automatically created this for me. I don't need to write any code. It has my device connection string ready. The only thing that I need to change is that probably I need this method to have some arguments, and then everything will be ready for the next step. So if I now my project is connected to IoT. The only thing that I need to do is to call these methods when I am uploading, when my devices are generating data.